Hi Simrat, how are you?
Hey, hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
We are good, and we are really excited to, host you, and the whole team is really excited to interact with you through this live. So
Great.
thank you very much for joining in.
Thank you so much for having me.
Well, we'll straightforward, start with the our show, and we have some questions lined up for you. Few of them
Done.
are from few of them are from our team, and few of them are from your fans. And we
Okay.
have some few fun activities and segments also in between,
Okay,
right?
I'm ready.
So great. So first of all, before we start anything else, how has this lockdown been treating you? How are you coping with it?
I think I'm enjoying it because this is the first time in all of our lives like हमें इतना time मिला है to stay at home and just work on ourselves. So I think I'm enjoying it.
Well, that's great. And you know what? During this lock time, a few of the celebrities and content creators have got the time to churn out more content more frequently than ever before.
Yeah,
So
because
as a celebrity,
yeah.
yeah. Yeah. So as a celebrity and a content creator, do you ever feel any, sort of blocks during your creative times and how do you overcome those times?
Uh, for me, see, I am not really that I have to post something on Instagram just to be
Yeah.
active. Whatever I
Right.
post is when I feel like clicking pictures, I'll click and I'll post. So I never really plan my content for Instagram. If I feel like dancing, I'll dance, I'll shoot it, and I'll post it. So for me, I think it just comes and I post it. I don't have to, really think about it or, दिमाग लगाओ उस पे इतना no. I don't do that much.
Well, that's wonderful, and it's been working quite well for you as we can see it from here.
Yes.
And so what are you up to? Like before lockdown, you must have been busy with shoots and stuff. But during lockdown, what are you up to? What are you doing these days? Anything particular that you have been up to?
So cleaning my house daily, that's for me now. Like, cleaning, helping my mom for everything, like cooking and stuff. And then doing my own dancing, drawing. I love painting. There's few pictures of my paints like put up.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
So I'm
So
painting. So
lovely. And so, when we were going, like researching about you and stuff, so we came across that, we found that you were someone who was pursuing business, BSc in computer science, and then you came to acting. And how did that transformation came up? How did how did it actually happen? That's what I mean.
actually, I just got a random offer for Cadbury ad initially. That was a
Right.
poster ad. So I was like, okay, I'll do it just for my pocket money, like college student. So pocket money is very necessary for us. So I just
Yeah,
did
yeah.
that, and just for money, to be honest. And then, but वो उन्होंने मेरा नंबर लिया था एड वालों ने तो वो मेरा नंबर काफी जगहों पे चला गया लाइक फॉर द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड द मैनेजर्स एंड आउट ऑफ नोवेयर आई जस्ट गॉट अ रैंडम कॉल फॉर अ मूवी दैट वाज प्रेम तुम्हें
Wow,
and
that's wonderful. And how was the experience, facing the camera for the first time and were you excited about the role and stuff?
I was really not excited and I never wanted to become an actor because I used to be very shy and like introvert. I think before I came into the industry, I was very shy. So for me to, even talk to people was a big thing. Like I get very nervous and I feel very shy when I talk to someone. So वहाँ पर इतना बड़ा camera, there were like hundreds of people on set and I'm like, shit, I cannot stand there and act. But then, you know how. Yeah.
So it's so lovely, and so it's so inspirational to to know about this, that you were never going towards that direction, and
So
everything came up this way. And
जब आप उस सिचुएशन में होते यू हैव टू डील इट यू कांट रन अवे बिकॉज फॉर मी मैं भाग नहीं सकती थी सेट से इन्होंने लाखों रुपए
right,
लगाए मैं
right.
कांट जस्ट बी लाइक ओके मुझे डर लगता है तो आई कांट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यार लोग मरते हैं मूवीज करने के लिए आई गॉट इट सामने से so why not just overcome my fear so yeah
That has been lovely for you and for us also to watch you on the screen.
yeah
So now coming on to our first activity, which is the rapid fire segment of it.
Okay.
So for that, I would like first requirement is you'll have to be rapid for that, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be starting with rapid fire and I'll be, rapidly going with questions back to back and you'll have to keep answering them. Cool?
Okay.
Yeah. So first question. First thing that you will do when this lockdown is over.
I'll go Australia.
Okay, three things you thought you would never do and you did during this time.
I think we should reverse the question because I wanted to actually do workout, do dieting, and improve my, new language skills. So मैंने तीनों चीजें मैं कुछ भी नहीं की है. So we can reverse the
Okay.
question.
One Bollywood or Hollywood movie which you wish you were a part of.
Bahubali.
Wow, wow, wow. And which character is closer to your heart? Anjali from Premathomi Karthik or Lakshmi from Priyacham? And why? Fast.
Both are very important, but Anjali because that was my first movie ever, and first character to me like Anjali. So yeah.
Well, that's lovely, and we have loved Anjali so far. And
Yeah.
so describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
Notorious, over hyper always, and I think very stubborn.
That's great. So if you could rate someone's closet in the entire world, who would it be?
Kylie Jenner. I love her
Kylie
outfits.
Jenner. We love her now. So if you got the chance to work with one of the following actors again in the next film, who would it be? Kartikeya or Virat?
They both are very different. I can't really select anyone because दोनों में अलग ही चीजें थी. I
But
can't.
that's a very modest answer, but we'll go ahead with this. So our next question is one thing that nobody knows about you.
That I am a left-hander and I eat with left hand.
Well. And your all-time favorite celebrity,
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan. And if you had to pick just one, fashion, travel, or dance.
Travel.
Well, this ends our rapid fire round, and
Okay.
I would like to, tell you that it has been this was a wonderful segment, and you have been really fast, faster than what we expected. So, so that was a lovely segment. Thank you for that.
Thank
So,
you.
so Simrat, after Premathomi Karthik and Priyacham, there was a time when you decided to take a break from the acting. So can you elaborate on that? How were things happening, and why did you decided to take a break?
I wanted to end up this career because this really needs lot of mind peace, and you have to be really very strong to be in the industry. Let it be any industry. And I felt that I'm not that strong emotionally to sustain in such industry, take hate and everything. So I felt okay, no, I just want to go off and do what I was doing earlier, like complete my studies and so that was the thing. But then I was like, okay, I can't be a coward this early
Hmm.
age. Then I was like, no. And that time actually I got offer for Dirty, and that changed my mind.
So Dirty Harry, the director, he has come up in the industry after 10 years. He's directing a movie after a decade. So how was it like? He was also, adjusting with the new things, new thing or new things happening in the industry, and how was
Yeah,
it working with him after so many years of him being off the shoots and you
up with
you being decided?
and with more energy after 10 years because he never did such kind of movies. For him, it was always entertainment and family movies. So he never did this kind of genre movie. So now he
Yeah,
was like, okay, I'm leaving all the acting work for you guys. Like, you are the teenagers. You need to understand and do everything. I'll be there to, brush you up on the sets. So, but he
right,
has
right.
helped a lot, a lot. Not even being from the same generation because movies about the current generation, like we all, like teens and everything. But still, he had put his 100%, to take out that acting from us.
So was Dirty Harry one of the major reason for you to come and join the industry again? Like, was it a
Uh,
major factor that?
I think it was MS Raju sir because when initially he called me for this movie also, I was like, no sir, I'm actually done with acting and stuff. I am heading back to Australia now. Then he's like, okay, you go Australia, but then do this movie and go. Oh sir, I don't want to do. Then he's like, you trust me, this movie will change your life. And the way he convinced me, I was like, okay, let's just do you one last try. But I don't want to give this
Wow.
up. I want to do more now.
That's wonderful. We would love to see you on screen again and again. And so
Yes.
talking about your this movie, The Dirty Harry. So in this movie, you're gonna come, play a very bold avatar and a different avatar as compared to your other or previous movies. So how did you, prepare for the role, and how tough or easy was it for you to adjust with this scheme?
So initially, I was not really accepting the fact that I had to kill someone on screen and all, because I was, always against all this. Like, I don't want to do such stuff. But then what Emmett sir said me, that you always have to see what the character demands for. It's not just you're coming
Right,
and kissing. You need to, feel that character. You have to be like, so my name is Jasmine in the movie. So he's like, you
right,
forget your anymore. You just have to be Jasmine, and you need to live that girl. For that girl, kissing was something very normal. Smoking, drinking was
right.
very normal. You have to adapt that thing, and So for me, I really had to do that homework of how to sit, talk like Jasmine, how to hold a secret. I don't know. I never done smoking before, so how to hold it, and everything. I had to practice everything. And MS so made sure that every day before my shoot starts, every night, 2 to 3 hours, I had to practice.
Wow, that must have been, very, very new experience to
Yeah.
learn from.
And
Like,
the rest in the rooms, for me, it was like homework time. Okay. So, how to like that, how to talk, stand, and everything. So, yeah, that was my homework every night.
so we would really, be happy to see you on the screen back. And I guess it's releasing in September, or has it been postponed due to this COVID-19 scenario?
Supposed to release in April, but now this all is going on. And I don't really think September also will do, because I don't see things getting normal. So, yeah, whenever everything settles down, we'll plan.
Great. I and all the viewers of us will be, very excited to go in the theaters, or, watch it online, or however it releases, because these days OTT platforms are also coming in with movies and stuff.
But we were planning, to release it online, because theaters, even if they open, we don't want our people to go and watch it in theaters, because it's still not that safe for everyone. So, yeah, let's see now whatever they plan.
Right. So once this lockdown gets over, what would be your favorite travel destination to go for? Like just after lockdown, where would you love to travel?
I just want to go Bali.
Bali.
Yeah,
Well, Bali,
I
I have Bali.
I
Yeah. So this question takes us to our second segment of fun activity, which is never have I ever.
okay,
uh, Right. So be ready to face some good questions of never have I ever.
okay, done.
So never have I ever lied about my health to go out of work, to get out of the work.
I know, I never did that.
Okay. And never have I ever bunked a class.
I think everyone does that, yeah. So yes,
So never have I ever looked at some significant other's text.
no,
Never. Not even Jasmine, the
no,
character from that. Okay. So never have I ever had a crush on someone double my age.
no. Like double my age is like someone more than 40.
Never have I ever lied about my age.
No, I never. I think it's very natural here. मतलब उसमें क्या झूठ बोलना है?
Well, lot of female hide their ages.
I think the face should say it all, yaar, what age you are.
Yeah. So never have I ever got pranked on the set.
I don't know, yeah. They speak in Telugu, so I don't know even if they are,
Oh, that's great, man. That's so funny. That's so funny.
yeah, they say
You
so many
know.
weird times, and they keep laughing at me, and I'm like, did you just talk about me? Like, do I have to laugh or feel bad? So I don't get it.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Never have I ever sent the wrong text to the wrong person.
Many a times.
And never have I ever flirted with a fan.
No.
No. Never have I ever forgotten to wish a friend on their birthday.
No. I'm very particular with the dates. I remember all the dates. So yeah. I'm always the one
Well,
like 12 baje waiting. Okay, 12 baje ka I'll text.
well, people would love to, be a friend with you because, you remember their birthdays and dates so well.
Yeah. उनसे ज़्यादा मेरे को खुशी रहती है. I'm very excited about
Well,
birthday.
that's wonderful. Never have I ever cut in line on purpose.
Never have I ever.
Cut in line on purpose.
No.
No. Never have I ever dined and dashed.
Dined.
Dine and dashed. As in with an
Dine and
intent to not paying the,
no,
dining fee and stuff.
no. I
Okay.
want to do that. It's gonna be fun.
And now coming on to the last question, you'll have to be very true about it, right?
Okay.
So, never have I ever lied in any game.
Lied in any game.
Yeah, game like this or this game. Never have I ever lied in this game, let's say.
No.
No, so you
Everything
you
was.
are pretty true about everything you said, right? Well, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So when this you earlier told us that this social media thing that you post and stuff, it's all dependent on how you feel about things. If you feel like dancing, you dance, you post, and all that stuff. But today, social media has become a big thing,
Exactly. Yeah.
as in terms of be it showcase your talent or being in front of the director, being in the industry, and everything. Social media plays a big role. So
Exactly.
do you think that do you have any competition in the social media today?
I think there's nothing as competition on social media. See, there are hundreds and hundreds of people on social media. So you only stand out when your content is something different and creative. You should be,
Yeah,
मतलब post तो हर एक कोई करता है. Like even you are posting on Instagram, even I am posting. You have more
yeah,
followers because you do something very interesting than me. So I think your
right.
post really matters on social media, on any platform.
So should we consider that you don't consider anybody to be your biggest competitor on social media?
It's always yourself. You have to compete with yourself to be better.
Well, that's great and sort of inspirational also because you'll all have to fight with yourself only instead of competing with others always.
I
That's
see someone
wonderful.
called jealousy. I'll be just jealous and I'll just think, okay, yaar, वो मुझसे अच्छा कर रही है, कर रही है. I will do it anyway. That will only take me
Right.
down.
For sure, for sure. And now coming on to the next question. So you have been working with a lot of different Tollywood actors and you have been acting in ad films, music films and stuff. But there's a big whole lot of big segment of Bollywood also.
Exactly. Yeah.
So have you ever, looked upon Bollywood or, thought of doing some movies in Bollywood also?
As
Do you have
considering
any
my
plans as such?
uh, being just a normal girl without any background and contacts, and in this early age, I don't think I can come into Bollywood until and unless someone sees my talent somewhere. Like, okay, if they
Right.
see any of me or anything on my platform, any social media, let it be any director or producer, if they see, okay, yeah, this girl has something to come into Bollywood, then yeah, I think eventually things will happen. Like how South happened to me, I think Bollywood
Yeah,
will happen.
yeah, 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 for sure. And we would, love you. to, come and be on the screen with Bollywood stars as well. And so,
Yes.
talking about Bollywood and, you planning to, looking forward to coming in Bollywood also, who do you think is the biggest Bollywood crush of yours?
See, my favorite and crush is only Hrithik Roshan. Like from childhood, I just wanted to meet one person that was Hrithik. And if I get chance to work with him, even as his daughter or sister on screen, I'm ready.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, that's quite passionate, being passionate about Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, being in Mumbai, I've never seen him face to face. Yeah, and that's so sad.
We hope that you be on the same screen or get to meet him.
Yes.
So, if let's say if you consider a scenario wherein you could go back in time and change just one thing about your life or career, what would that be?
I don't think I have to change anything because this change only happened like out of nowhere for me. And I'm really happy with this change. If not this, I wanted to go back and, take out this acting thing and go into Olympics because I was a sports person earlier. So, yeah. If
Yeah,
not,
yeah,
then
we.
I pursued
Hmm.
my sport.
Yeah, so you were in karate also. Like earlier,
I,
you were in karate championships. You have won some of the championship for India as well.
yes.
Well, that's wonderful. And with this question and your interest towards sports, we come to our next segment or next fun activity that we have planned for you, which is, this being a marketing show and, portraying or giving insights about the celebrity brand as such. So we have few taglines, and what you have to do is you'll have to identify the brands associated with the taglines.
I think I'm going to lose this game because I'm really very bad with it.
We-
I'm
Well,
loving
we,
it.
we
Yeah.
we can try. We can try at least. So
Yeah,
so I'll be saying few of the taglines, and you'll have to come up with the brand name that they have been associated with. Okay, so open happiness.
good day.
So
Happiness.
yeah, no.
ओपन तो यार कुछ खाने से ही होती है. Open happiness.
So just a hint. It's a beverage.
Beverage. Open happiness. Fruity. नहीं यार. I give up.
So it's Coca-Cola.
ये invented Coca-Cola से open happiness.
Yeah, yeah. It had a tagline in between. Open happiness.
कुछ oh, okay. Oh, okay. Forget.
Yeah. So second tagline is the happiest place on the earth.
Hint.
And you
What is
can't say home.
give some hint now like what can be.
So so teenagers and kids love to go to this
Oh,
place, and it has a channel also.
Disney.
This That's right. That's right. Point on,
Okay.
spot on. So next is because you are worth it. It's a tagline. Because you are worth it.
Nike was it worth it?
No, no,
No,
that's no, no, no.
you're worth it. You're worth it. Come on.
You
Has
can
to be
you
some.
can do it. You can. No, no, no. It
It's
is not a sports brand.
not a sportsman. You're worth it now. You're worth it. Like what? I hint. What is a hint?
So it's yeah, yeah. Am I getting any answer?
I saw someone say L'Oreal. Is it?
Yeah, it's L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal.
किसको पता था? Oh my god! All boys are saying L'Oreal. How do they know it? Okay.
So and our next part of the segment is the next tagline is the ultimate driving machine.
Uh, that's BMW. Is
Yes,
it?
yes, that's BMW. Yeah, yeah, it's BMW. You are doing well. You are doing good. You are doing good in this. You were worried about
No,
without any no reason
but
beforehand.
I'm
So our last tagline would be Betcha can't eat just one.
okay, you guys go on. Uh, some eating chips.
Yeah. You are on the right track.
Lays.
Well, wonderful. This ends our segment, and you did pretty good. Matlab, you were worrying without no reason earlier.
Which is it's yeah.
So now that this segment is over, we have few more questions for you,
Okay.
and I would like to request viewers also to give in your questions so that we can ask your queries to Simrit at the end of the session or maybe in between these questions that we have with us. So that's a request to the
Yeah,
viewers
you
out
all can.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you being an actress, so can you give us one lesson which you have learned because of this acting journey, which has impacted your life significantly?
Mm, I think there's dedication and confidence. Because earlier I never had that kind of confidence. To interact with people and just come up that confidently. And that I learned with my acting. That confidence is the only key you can get everything you want. If you're confident in an interview, you can just crack it. So, yeah, that is the one thing. And one thing acting taught me is discipline,
All
because
right.
we always wake up early in the morning. And for me, I'm not a morning person. So, to get up by 4, initially I used to get late for my, always on sets. Like, if I have a call time by 6, I'll go by 6:30. Then one thing my
Mm-hmm.
director said me in the first movie, that he's like, Simrat, for an actor, you don't just have to act. There are some principles to become an actor. And उसमें
All
सबसे
right.
पहली चीज सेट पे सबसे पहले आना. You don't have to wait कि लाइट वाले आए कि नहीं आए, सेट वाले आए कि नहीं आए. You should be the first person. And that is
All
what
right.
discipline is. Take you long way. And after that, I made sure, okay, I should be there on set.
It's lovely to hear about these stories from you. And so discipline is the thing that acting journey has taught you in terms of improving your life significantly, right? That's great. That's great. So now we have done, few of the questions and we have played few of the fun games as well. And this takes us to the our final question of the evening, and which
Okay.
would be, what is one piece of advice that you would like to give to all the other aspiring artists?
Uh, Never lose hope. Let it be you're an artist or dancer, singer, whatever kind of skill you have. If you think, okay, यार मेरा कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है ये particular industry में, so never feel that, because there are hundreds of people fighting with you in the same thing. Like, there are so many girls fighting for roles, in the movies. But I was the one who got it, and
Right.
who never had any hope. So I think hope is very, very important for any artist, that you can never lose hope. Let it be for years and years, but you have to give your 100% and just be honest with your work. Just be true to it. And if you're doing it
Well,
right, it
right.
will come right. Yeah.
I guess that's a lovely advice for all the aspiring artists. And now we will go through the chat and have few of the viewers' question, right? So
Okay.
I'll pick a few of them.
Okay.
So Akul Kanchan asks that how's your French going on?
I stopped learning it because it's really difficult. Yeah, I can't pronounce the words, and online it is really difficult.
And it seems that people are really excited and want to see you in more of the Punjabi movies and songs. So do you have any plans for that?
I'm waiting to, come into Punjabi movies because it's my mother tongue, and I so want to do a Punjabi movie. But yeah, just waiting for the offers. That's it. So,
Well, that's lovely. And we would love to, see you in the all formats, be it Hollywood, Bollywood, Punjabi, be it songs.
Hollywood, Bollywood, everywhere. I just want to be.
So it has been lovely interacting with you, Simrit. And this, with these questions, we would, sort of take a leave from here. And it was lovely, lovely, lovely interacting with you. So thank you very much for joining and interacting with us and answering all our questions, your fan questions, our team questions, and viewers' questions as well. So we are really, really thankful for that.
Thank you so much for this fun activity. I enjoyed it.
Well,
Thank you.
we enjoyed it too, and would love to, interact with you, connect with you later on as well.
Definitely done.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for being with us.
Okay, yeah, bye bye. Take care. Bye, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye, 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 bye.